Hi everyone. So what I'm about to show is how to create a virtual machine in Microsoft Azure. So to create a virtual machine, we have to go to the Azure portal, and from the Azure portal, you have a couple of options where you can see the virtual machine option here. So click the virtual machine option, do a add virtual machine, and then it takes you to the create virtual machine page, and where you can actually select the resource group. So I already have a resource group created. I'll select that, or you can go ahead and create a new one. Name the virtual machine, and then you can select the region where you want the virtual machine to be, and then you can click into the images. There are various images available. You can select any one of the image that you want to create your virtual machine in. So you have the Windows first generation, and then the Ubuntu and Red Hat, whatever you want to select. For the time being, I'm going to select a small disk data center for generation 2, and then you can select the size, where it will also give you the options as well as the amount it's going to charge. Then the next step, you have to select the user ID and password. Okay, and next you will go to next, which will take you to the networking. Sorry, it will take you to the disk. So in the disk, you can select various disks, the premium, the standard, as per your choice. Next, you will go to the networking. So the networking, I have already a virtual network created. If you don't leave it blank, it is going to create one for you. It will also give you the default subnet mask. Now, in the select inbound port, the RDP is by default selected. You can also select the HTTPS, SSN, and the HTTP according to your configuration. If you want load balancing, you can select the load balancing as well. Now I'll go to the next, where you have the management. There are a couple of options for the identity management, auto shutdown. I'll leave it blank as of now, as default. Next, I'll go to the advanced. I'll leave it by default. You can create a tag to have all the resources in a particular group. So I already have tag created. I'll assign this one to it as well. Next, I move to the review and create. So you can go through all the information that you have just entered, and then you click the create button for the virtual machine to be created. It takes a couple of minutes for the deployment, and once it's deployed, I already have one deployed, so I won't wait for it. You will see a success deployment message here once it's deployed. So I have the RDP. Once the deployment is complete, you can download the remote desktop, and once I have one created, so I'll go ahead and connect to that. It will prompt me for the password. I can hit OK, and see it's trying to connect. So if you see, it got connected to the desktop, and I have all the documents here and the computer, the amount of space that you have selected. Thank you so much. Hope you have enjoyed it. Bye.